What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome to another video on the Tradman YouTube channel. Today we're talking about that squeegee rubber of yours. Is it moving around in the squeegee channel? It's annoying you, bunching up, coming loose, all that kind of stuff, leaving lines in that window. Today we're going to give you a top tip on how you can fix that. Stay tuned. So yes, indeed, today we're going to fix your problems that you've been having with your squeegee. Here's a top tip, is to get yourself some of these. Aha, there we are. The Unger green clips. Now we're going to give you a close-up of these in just a second so you can see exactly what they look like. But what this does is basically slot in each side of your squeegee channel and hold your squeegee nice and tight. Because a lot of the time, if you get the squeegee rubber moving, if you come across an area of friction on the glass, perhaps you've run over an area of dry glass a little bit too much, then this will help hold that rubber in and stop the rubber from pulling out from the channel. So let's have a close-up look of these things, shall we? Okay then folks, so here we are with the Unger green clips. Now in a box you get 40 clips. We'll leave the link in the description below so you can find these nice and easy. Just really helps to hold your rubber. So with the green clips, essentially what it's made up of is, we'll bring it hopefully a little bit closer to you. Now it's very small, so I'll try not to lose it. There's a smooth side, and if you flip it over, there's actually a side with little sharp, I would say, teeth or spikes, maybe you want to call it, is the best way to describe it. So the best way to put these in, I'll show you on the squeegee here, is get your rubber wet and also the squeegee channel itself. Pop a little bit of soap, whether that's, you know, fairy liquid or it could be Dawn. I think that's quite popular in the United States. Anything like that, just something to provide a little bit of a slip, less friction, so you can get not only the rubber, but these green clips in, because sometimes it's quite a tight fit trying to get these in. Now with this specific clip, there's actually a little plastic bit inbuilt on these clips to try and hold the rubber a bit better, as well as having the teeth on the handle. But sometimes you find that having the addition of the Unger green clips really help hold your squeegee rubber even better. What sometimes can happen is, if you go over an area of friction on the glass, sometimes the rubber can actually pull out from the channel, which can leave arcs and lines and all sorts of stuff on the windows, which we don't want. So by adding these green clips, it really does help to give you a really nice finish on the window, hold that rubber nice and tight, nice and snug in the channel, so you're not getting any lines and arcs and things like that. We don't want that. So there you are folks, nice little top tip, little nugget, gem of information for you today. If you're struggling with your squeegee, this fits in pretty much most channels. For this kind of squeegee, the Unger green clips work perfectly fine. You can use this in your standard squeegee channels as well. So there you are folks. So hopefully that helps you and stops you getting those annoying arcs, lines and solution left behind on the glass. So there we are folks, the Unger green clips, pack of 40, really handy to have. I mean, that'll last you quite a long time. Obviously if you get one of these and you've got maybe a couple of employees, that would do pretty much all of their squeegees, wouldn't it? So really nice and easy to keep in the van as well. Doesn't take up much space, very small little box. And it's very cheap as well. I think they're only about £3, £4, £5, something like that maximum. So yeah, worth having for your traditional tools. Thanks very much folks, you take care, be good, and I'm about to go back to work, but it's raining here. I don't want to go back to work. Oh, well, I've no excuses. I've got the waterproofs on, so I better go and do some work, eh? You take care, be good, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.